Make it easier for your site's visitors to explore your online presence by adding social links to display as social icons. Icons include logos for many common platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and X, formerly known as Twitter. To add your social links, first go to your settings and open the Social Links panel. Type in a complete URL, then hit Enter. If we recognize the platform based on the URL, we'll automatically display an icon with the platform's logo. If the link is from a page or service we don't recognize, it will be represented by a link icon. To change the icon order, drag and drop the accounts in the panel. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.